When the birds are chirping and the day is breaking, that's when I love to get out and explore. Hey there, Terri Froelich here with Art to Life, and I'm taking over the vlog this week to talk a little bit about my process that many of you have asked about. It's about observation, exploration, and patience. Along with art, photography is what feeds my soul. I've been doing photography for a very long time. For years, this is what makes me feel alive, and I've made it part of my consistent practice. I love finding differences. I love finding small details in a busy scene, noticing how conflicting colors meet each other by accident, how shadows cast a glaze and create a new hue and a new shape, how water reflects, how movement changes what I'm seeing, how architectural angles create negative space. For me, it's an exercise in composition training and muscle memory, and this helps intuitively create shapes, color, and detail in my work. In these paintings that I have here, you'll see the inspiration from the water, from the carpets. In this one, you see also the colors of the buildings, the color of the carpets, the colors of the vegetation around the property. Again, colors, shapes, designs, everything that you notice when you take the time to explore and to observe. And in this one, again, you can see the inspiration of the water, which I do study a lot. Water, reflections, colors that meet up that necessarily don't go together. But for me, that's the friction that creates in my work. And I feel comfortable when I've seen it in an observation or when I explore with my photography. And again, different colors, different shapes, different ways of combining those things in work from just exploring and seeing things through a different viewfinder. I recently helped at the Art to Life workshop in Marrakesh, Morocco. For Art to Life, it's so important for us to find locations and properties that inspire us as well as our workshop participants. This workshop took place at the beautiful boutique hotel outside of Marrakesh called Janine Tamsna, which is the creation of the amazing visionary Marianne Loon Martin. The pictures in this vlog are all from her property. Now that you've had a sneak peek at the Janine Tamsna property, be sure to listen in on this week's podcast that's released on Wednesday. While in Marrakesh, Nick sat down with Marianne and they talked about her extraordinary journey, her ideas about curation, and also the one thing that money can't buy, and it's not happiness. You're going to have to listen to the podcast to find out. And for those of you who sometimes get tripped up on color in their work like I do, please be sure to download the Art to Life Color Tips PDF. The link is below. It's full of helpful tips that will help you with your color. And don't forget to leave us a comment below about your process and what inspires you. Do you use photography? I'm curious to know. Until then, me and B say goodbye. Bye.
Hey everyone, if you found this helpful, I have a whole lot more to teach, share, and inspire you with every single week. So join the Art to Life YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Okay, let's do this. Awesome.